So this being a fairly new gated community that we're working in, there isn't a whole lot of erosion going on here yet. Typically it's between 8 and 12 years down the line after a community establishes, and if they don't address the erosion situation at some point, it just gets worse and worse and worse. So we have a nice slope here. It's about a 4-to-1 slope, and you can see that we do have some ground cover here, just some native plants and weeds, and all these root into the soil and assist with erosion. If you look down further, you can see this lighter sand, and this is the sediment that's beginning to wash down into the lake. And once you get too much of that in your lake, it can affect the ecosystem and the plants and everything else. So right now it's not a big issue. We could come in and do some erosion control, but as of now, the native ground cover here is doing a pretty good job, and it's not absolutely necessary. But you can see the transition from the grass into this little shelf here of weeds, and then down into the underwater area. And again, in summertime, we do get almost 60 inches of rain here a year in Southwest Florida, and in summer the water level is probably going to come all the way up to here and just flood this whole area, and it'll choke out all these, and then once the water recedes again, these seeds that they leave behind in the soil will just pop up and spring up again, and you'll get a little bit of ground cover here. So this is all actually beneficial. That's not hurting anybody. Provides food for fish and birds and different animals, and it serves a purpose in preventing erosion.